Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made my own DIY Christmas wreath. This year I really wanted to make it myself because all of the really nice ones that I saw at Target, at Michael's, were just overpriced in my opinion. So that's why I decided to do this. So if you're excited about this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe if you're new to my channel. So the things that you'll need for this project would be a wire hanger. I got this from my closet, so this was at no cost. Some ornaments. These ones I purchased from Primark. I'm doing a mixed metal theme this year, so I thought this was perfect. And they were only $4 for 20. You'll also need some fillers. So for my fillers, I decided to use poinsettias, some pine cones, and some glittery beads. I got these from the dollar store, so each of them were $1 per piece. You're also going to need garland. So this is going to be the main base of our wreath, and I got this from the dollar store. It's 15 feet long, and I got 2 of these so that the wreath looks much fuller and a little bit, more realistic than the fake ones that you can buy at the store. So to begin, you're just going to want to untwist the top part of the hanger so that you can be able to mold it into a circle. So once you've gotten your desired shape, you can begin to take your garland and wrap it around to create your base. This is why I said to get 2 pieces of garland so that you can have one to cover the wire and then the other to make it look a little bit fuller. Once you've finished wrapping your garland around your wire, you're just going to want to fluff it a little bit more because it does look a little bit flat, and in order to get that more realistic vibe, it would be better if you fluffed it. And then there's some pieces, if you like, you can take scissors and just cut them out so that you have some pieces sticking out, which looks more natural in some of the wreaths that you see in store. Obviously this wreath is a little bit small, but I chose this size because of my door. You can definitely combine 2 wire hangers for a much larger circle and purchase more garland, to have it looking a little bit fuller. So now I'm just getting a general idea of where I want the ornaments and the flowers to be placed on the wreath before I secure them down. I was using regular glue at first, but I decided that that wasn't working and the ornaments and the flowers weren't secured, so I ended up using a hot glue gun, which worked way better. For the ornaments that were hanging a little bit loose, I did use the hot glue gun to secure them because initially I had tied them to the wreath itself. So my boyfriend's just here helping me figure out where things need to go and what spots to fill out because some places were looking a little bit sparse and needed some love. I didn't get my hands on a hot glue gun at the beginning of this project, so I did use the stems of the poinsettias and the fillers to tie them down to the wreath to have it secured, just to show you guys what it would look like eventually. And that ended up working, and I was really pleased with the results. But I did later go back around to glue them down just for a more secured project. I initially tied on all of the ornaments, so at the end I just took a pair of scissors and cut off the loose thread. So I ended up deciding to spray my wreath with some fake snow that I got from Five Below. It was only $1. I felt like the snow made the wreath look a little bit better because the green was just a little bit too bright, so it didn't look as real as a natural wreath would look, and I think it made this look 10 times better than it would have without it. This was definitely a fun project for me to do this year, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This was a really inexpensive DIY. I think all in all it cost me $8, and I think it looks amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and have a great and wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas.
But they never harm us. My homie got the peace like Dalai Lama. Dirty money gone clean out. Still have trappers on speed out.